still burning inside. You can see the orange. I called the owner at home. I know him very well.
Really?
The guy who owns Mr. Transmission owns the building. And he's a good friend for the last 30 years. Our son was passing by. He told me, Daddy, Randy's building is on fire. So I called Randy and he said, what are you talking about? He couldn't believe it.
Does he live here in
He
Houston?
lives in Pelham.
Okay.
So he probably should be coming any minute now.
Oh my gosh. That is a...
Fortunately, there's no business going on there right now.
Yeah. I was wondering, so what is... I mean, I've lived
Well,
there my
used-
whole life, so I know a Mexican restaurant.
It used to be a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah.
It's been empty. He's been using it as a storage. And just recently you sold the building to somebody.
So he's been storing things in there?
There's some of his parts and things in there. But I think recently he sold to someone. I don't know. Because we were, my wife, a friend of ours and I, we were interested in both of these. Many years ago I used to own that station. When it was amateur. When it was amateur.
Well,
So I
I should...
lived here for 40 years.
Well, and I should tell you, I'm Trish Payne.com. So I write news about education. This is not my beat, but I was riding around my dog listening to a podcast. And then when I saw the smoke, I was on the way that way. So how long have you been watching this?
Oh, that's really
This is the fire.
You think those cars are in danger?
Some of those cars, their customers' cars, or some of his cars, they're vintage.
What is that one?
Well, that's in one building.
Same,
There is
same.
one building.
One building.